Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
breakfast mukbang, and you just saw the breakfast I cook, and that is what I'm going to eat. Got some hash browns here, got some ketchup, garlic bread. Actually, this is 5 cheese bread. You saw how I cook the bacon. I cook it in the oven. Comes out better that way. Now let's try these hash browns. I don't know if you see the steam still coming off of them. Y'all put ketchup on your eggs? I see a lot of people do that. I'm not a big fan of that. Let's taste this for you. Fried eggs. Now, what a lot of people, when I see them cook them, they'll have their pan way too high. What you gotta do for good eggs is cook your eggs low and slow. And that will give you a perfect egg. I like the yolk running, especially like when I have grits. Have a Dr. Pepper. And I have some orange juice. And that's good. Let's more of this hash brown. Yeah, comment below, guys, if you like ketchup on your eggs. I love me some bacon, though. You gotta be crispy. That's good. I also heard that there's a shortage on Dr. Pepper. It hadn't hit Georgia yet. I heard it has out in California. I watched some mukbangs out there. I got some shortages. Comment below if you have any shortages in your area. I love breakfast, but I don't get to eat it as often. Breakfast is a good meal to start the day with. That bacon. I hope you give it, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I am new. Trying to get this thing jump started. I got 61 subscribers. Trying to reach 100. So share this video. Get it out there. I'm going to be doing mukbangs, more homemade stuff, cooking, eating my own food. I'll do a couple fast foods. Just comment below on what you want to see, and what you want to see from me. So I got a corn casserole dish coming up. That'll be out. And also we'll be doing some homemade tacos. So stay tuned for this. So make sure you subscribe. And when you subscribe, you gotta hit that notification bell. So every time I upload, you'll know when my next video is. That's how you do it, guys. It's so good. Hit the spot. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.